Okay, so this guy asked me a question. It's kind of tricky. What I'm about to say, it's really kind of sticky. So I'm interested in hearing your point of view. If you were in his shoes, what would you do? So his wedding was supposed to be in April, but because of COVID, Corona, he moved the date. He was looking forward to having sex, but does he still have to wait? That's his question. He asked me, but obviously not in this way. I poetryfied this question because my name's EK. He said, technically we're not married, but this wasn't our plan. Public gatherings are banned. Surely God will understand. Hmm, hmm. COVID delayed his wedding reception. This is a very tricky situation. So should he wait or should he proceed to penetration? What do you think? What are your thoughts? Talk to me, pure people. Talk to me.